In this video, I want to show you this workflow here. This automatically exports all of your n8n workflows into GitHub for you. You can run it on a schedule or you can run it manually. But what that means is that you are continually backing up your work. And that means if you need to get back to previous iterations, then you can. We can save in n8n, yes. There is backup features, yes, but they're not as good as this workflow. So before you build your next workflow for you or a client, I highly suggest you take advantage of this workflow and check it out. If you go down into the first link in the description, you'll find the link. All you got to do is click here and it will take you through to the workflow. It's completely free for you to use it. And what the advantages of this are is that you are able to have previous version control. This can actually go up to enterprise scale, which means if you are building for large clients or multiple clients, then you've got that covered. This isn't just for personal use, although you can use it just for personal use as well. And because you've got the Slack alerts, you can see what's going on. There's progress tracking and there's detailed error reports as well, which means if something is broken, you're not waiting for the client to tell you it's broken. You can actually get a Slack alert, find out what's going on, and then you can get in there and fix it. So as I said, this is completely free and you can access it, run it on your system, back everything up to GitHub and keep it safe. Now, if you did want to sell this to clients, then there are 3 different ways that you could do this. But I like the idea of selling this as an add-on to your existing service. So saying to them, would you like me to continually be backing up the workflow? If so, it's an add-on of X amount, which means that they are able to have that peace of mind that you will have as well of having their systems backed up. This could be for your existing client, or you might be able to find a business that is already building on n8n but don't have a backup system in place and say, look, you should be backing up your n8n workflows. I can see you're using them. I can set this up for you. I can manage it for you. So if anything breaks in your systems, then I'll be alerted. They might just want to buy it off you, which is fine. They might have somebody internally n8n, qualified, experience that they can use, or they might actually want you on a retainer. Other ideas of how you can use this as well, but as an add-on or an upsell, I think this could work very, very well. So whatever you're doing on n8n, get yourself down to the first link in the description, click on it, get this and start running it to back everything up for yourself. And if you're interested in learning how to build automations with Claude, I've got this video on the screen for you now. See you in the next one.